Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nutan Prakash from Department of Biotechnology, Atma University, and today I am going to discuss about pH and pH scale. The term pH was given by Danish chemist Sorensen in 1909, and measure of the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is given by its pH value. As per the pH is concerned, its definition is like the negative logarithm to the base 10 of its hydrogen ion concentration. Means the formula is pH equal to minus log to the base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration. So, before we further discuss about the pH, let's understand why we put the log 10 value. Say, for example, the normal range of hydrogen ion concentration in our blood is 46 nanomole per liter to 35 nanomole per liter, which is very small. So if I want to write out in the form of the decimal, then I can write out in the 10 to power 46 is to 10 to power minus 9 mole per liter. Why? Because it was in the nanomole per liter. If I want to further simplify it, I can write down 0.46 10 to power minus 7 mole per liter. If for the further simplification, 0.7 times 0.46 mole per liter. So, do you think this is the convenient way to deal with such a small number? So, to deal with this problem, what Sorensen did, he taken the log value of this 0.7 times 0.46 value. So, now if you want to calculate the log of this particular value of base 10, then simply in your computer or in your mobile phone, you just go through on scientific calculator, type 0.7 times 0.46 and press the value of log. You will get the value of minus 7.337. Since the 7 is more than 5, so I can round up the value, that is minus 7.34. So the value I got minus 7.34, and as I already discussed, the formula for the calculation of pH was minus log 10 to power hydrogen ion concentration. So now to get rid from this negative value, what I can do, I can multiply uh, in both sided with the minus. So now what I am going to get? If I multiply with minus sign here, I am going to get value in the positive, and same I have to multiply it with sign negative sign here. So as per the definition, the formula for calculation of pH was minus log to power log to the base 10 of hydrogen in concentration, which is pH. Now you can see that pH is 7.34. So now it is better to say that pH is 7.34 rather than saying that the hydrogen ion concentration in our blood is 0 time 0.7 times 0.46 mole per liter. And if I want to calculate the pH for this concentration, that is 35 nanomole per liter, the same way I can do, I can write down 0.7 times 0.35 mole per liter, and if I take the value of, I can take the log of this value, I can get value is minus 7.45 from the scientific calculator. And if I multiplied with negative sign both the sides, I can get the value of pH here, and here I can get value in the positive sign. So it is 7.45. So now you can say that the pH of our blood is in the range of 7.34 to 7.45. So it is asked in the competitive examination. Say for example, if we increase the hydrogen ion concentration in blood by 10 times, then what will be the effect on its pH? So now let's calculate it. So the hydrogen ion concentration is 46 nanomole per liter. If I increase the hydrogen ion concentration 10 times, means here I am multiplying with the 10 is to 1 mole per liter. Then what value I am going to get? 0.6 times 0.46 mole per liter. Now if I want to simplify it, I can take the value of log. So log, if I take from the scientific calculator, the value I am getting is minus 6.34 around. So it is minus 6.34, again just like previously we did, To get it from the negative sign, I have to multiply it with the negative sign in both the sides. So here I am going to get the value of pH is 6.34. So now I can conclude that if we increase the hydrogen ion concentration 10 times, then the pH value reduced by 1 unit. Let's take another example for the calculation of pH of water molecule. As you know, in 1 mole of water, there is 6 is to 10 to power 23 molecules are there. However, the hydrogen ion concentration is very less, which is only 10 to power minus 7. So, if I want to calculate the pH of water, what I can do? The simple formula minus log to the base 10 hydrogen ion concentration. As you can see, the hydrogen ion concentration is only 10 to power minus 7. So this value I can put here. So now the value is something minus log to the base 10 is to 10 to power minus 7. As one formula is concerned about the log value, log to the base b m to power k, the value will be k multiplied by log to the base b and m. So here if I want to calculate, this minus 7 value will come first. So value will be like minus 7 multiplied by the value of minus log to the base 10, and the log 10 value is 1. So if I multiply minus 7 by minus 1, the value will be in plus. So here the pH of pure water is 7. Here the pH means H, I can say it's a hydrogen, and P means power or potential. So I can say the power of the hydrogen ion or potential of the hydrogen ion. Just like I calculate the pH, I also can calculate the potential of hydroxyl ion. So the same way I can call it the POH. So the POH formula very simple, minus log to the base 10 hydroxyl ion. Here you can say again the concentration is 10 to power minus 7. So in the same way, if I put the values, the value will again come, the POH value of the water will come 7. So in the pure water, the pH is 7 and POH is again 7. Now let's understand that what is the relationship between hydrogen ion concentration and hydroxyl ion concentration. So water is a very unique molecule, and since it can dissociate into hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion, so it acts as both acid as base. We can define the dissociation of the two type of ions in water as constant called Kw. So Kw is equal to hydrogen ion concentration multiplied by hydroxyl ion concentration, which is 10 to power minus 7 and 10 is to 10 to power minus 7 in this case. So if I take the log value of this 10 to power minus 7, here I can put minus log to the base 10, 10 to power minus 7 multiplied by 10 to power minus 7. So as per the logs rule, I can further simplify it, minus log to the base 10, 10 to power minus 7 plus minus log to the base 10, 10 is to minus 7. So the value will be, just already told you that for the calculation of pH, minus log to the base 10 hydrogen ion concentration plus minus log to the base 10 hydroxyl ion concentration. Here you can say pH, this value is pH and this is the POH. So pH, as you have already calculated, that is 7, POH is again 7. So the total value we got pH plus POH equal to 14. So this is the relationship between the pH and POH. If in any problem you know the pH and you want to calculate the POH, so simply in 14, if I minus the value of pH, I will get the value of POH and vice versa. So pH value range from 0 to 14, as we have already discussed. So solution, and the solution having pH value less than 7, if it is 7 means neutral, the solution is neutral. If it is less than 7 means it is acidic, and if it increase more than 7, go beyond 7, then we call it as basic. So this is the pH scale. If it is 7, it is neutral, less than 7, it is acidic, and if pH is more than 7, the solution will be basic. So there is a lot of importance of pH in biological system. The pH affects the structure and activity of biological macromolecules. For example, the catalytic activity of enzyme. If you increase or decrease the pH, the enzyme is going to be inactive because for the enzyme there is the optimal pH. On that particular pH, enzyme works well. So measurement of the pH of the blood and urine are also commonly used in the diagnosing of the disease. The pH of the blood plasma of severely diabetic people, for example, is often lower than the normal value of 7.4. And if it is less than that, the problem is going to be called as acidosis. And if it is more, means that the pH is basic condition, then we call it the alkalosis. So that can create a lot of problem in our human being. Now let's take a few more examples for the calculation of pH. Say the concentration of hydrogen ion in a solution is 2.5 to 10 to power minus 4 molar. What will be the solution's pH? To calculate the pH, you should be very comfortable with the logarithms. If you are new for the logarithms, I made the separate tutorial about the logarithm. You do watch it, then you can come for the calculation of pH. So to solve such type of problems, the value should be the like 2.5 is to 10 to power minus 4. To solve such type of problem, the product rule for logarithm will be used to solve. Okay, so pH equal to minus log to the base 10, 2.5 multiplied by 10 to power minus 4. If I use the logarithm's product rule, the value will be like minus log to the base 10 2.5 plus log to the base 10 10 to power minus 4. So the log of the 2.5 will be 0.397, means I can round up like 0.4, and for the 10 to power minus 4 will come first, and log 10's value is 1, so value will be minus 4 multiplied by 1, it is minus 4. So if I further simplify it, the value will come 3.6. So that's how you can calculate the pH. Let's take one more example. A solution has a pH of 4.5. What will be the solution's pOH? So it's very simple. I already told you about the relationship between the pH and pOH. So if I want to calculate the pOH value, so pOH will be 14 minus pH. So in this case it is 4.5. So very simple. The pOH is 9.5. Take another example. What is the pH of a 0.02 molar solution of NaOH? So here I want to calculate the pH, but you have NaOH. So let's calculate pOH. So as you know, the formula for pOH equal to minus log. Here I am not written 10 as a base. You can consider as a 10. If it is not written anything, means it is by default 10. So minus log 0.02. If you take the log, it will be like minus 1.7. So minus and minus will be cancelled. So the value will be 1.7, and again if I can put that particular value in this formula, pH equal to 14 minus pOH, so the value will come like 12.3. So therefore the pH of the 0.02 molar NaOH solution is 12.3. Take another example. Like the concentration of hydrogen ion in a solution is 10 to power minus 5 molar. What will be the solution's pH? Very simple. pH equal to minus log to the base 10 hydrogen ion concentration, which is 10 to power minus 5. So minus 5 will come first. So minus 5 and log 10's value will be 1. So minus and minus cancel. The value will be 5. So therefore the pH of the solution is 5. So that's how you can calculate the value of pH. I hope this lecture is going to help you. Thank you.